Good morning, students. I hope you have watched the previous videos on statistics. Children, in last video we have discussed about the graphical representation of data. In that we have discussed about bar graph. In this video we will discuss about histogram and frequency polygon. Histogram. A histogram is used to represent continuous group data. It consists of adjacent rectangles. Now let us see what is the procedure to draw a histogram. So for this, take the breadth of rectangle equal to class size and mark it along x-axis. Take the length of rectangle equal to frequency of that class and mark it along y-axis. Construct rectangles corresponding to each class with the help of steps 1 and steps 2. Let us try to understand how to draw a histogram with help of example. Draw a histogram for the following data. Here height in centimeter 150 to 160, 160 to 170, 170 to 180, 180 to 190, 190 to 200 is given, and number of students among each height 150 to 168, 160 to 173, 170 to 184, 180 to 190 10 and 190 to 200 is 2 is given. So let us see what are the steps to solve. Since the scale on x-axis starts at 150, a breaking or zigzag curve, here you see a zigzag curve is given, is shown near the origin along the x-axis to indicate that the graph is drawn to scale beginning at 150 and not at the origin itself. Now take 1 centimeter on x-axis, 1 centimeter on x-axis it is taken, and 10 centimeter height. Take 1 centimeter on y-axis, 1 centimeter on y-axis is equal to 2 number of students 2. Construct rectangles corresponding to given data, and corresponding to given data 150 to 168. So 150 to 160 you have to draw the rectangle up to height 8. In the same way 160 to 173, so you have to draw up to 3. 170 to 180 it is 4, you have to draw up to 4. 180 to 190 10, you have to draw the rectangle up to 10 centimeter. Here 190 202 you have to draw thus you get a required histogram. Got it? Now let us solve question number 7. So let us first see what is given in question number 7. Draw a histogram to represent the following frequency distribution of monthly wages of 255 workers of a factory. So here it is given number of workers 35, monthly wages in rupees is 850 to 950, for 950 to 1050 45, for 1050 to 1150 75, 1150 to 1250 60, and 1250 to 1350 it is 40. Now let us see how to solve. Along x-axis we have taken monthly wages. Here zigzag is given, that means the scale is starting from 850, then 950. In 1 centimeter we have taken as 950. For each centimeter means your number of workers that is increasing is 100, and along y-axis we have taken the number of workers. Here each unit indicates 10 workers. So for first interval 850 to 950 we have 35, 950 to 1050 we have 45, 1050 to 1150, 1050 to 1150 we have, you see here, 75, 1150 to 1250 60, and 1250 to 1350 it is 40. So in this way you can draw a histogram. Now next type of representing graphical data is by frequency polygon. So let us try to understand how to draw frequency polygon. So here example is given. Draw a frequency polygon to represent the following data. Class interval 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and so on it is given, and frequency for each interval is given 5, 10, 19, 24, 18 and 6. So what is the process of drawing? Let us see the steps. Let 1 centimeter on x-axis, that is 10 units, and 1 centimeter on y-axis, 5 frequency. In the case of drawing frequency polygon, we have to find the midpoints of the class interval. So midpoint of 10 to 20 is 15. Similarly, 20 to 30 is 15. 40 to 50 is 35. 50 to 60, 55, 60 to 70, 65, and 70 to 80, 75. So find points corresponding to given frequencies of classes and the midpoints of the class intervals and plot them. So frequency, we can see midpoints, then 20 to 30, it is 5. So here we will mark 30 to 40, frequency is 10, so up to 10. And when we join all the points, we will get the frequency polygon. Join first the end point with the midpoint of class interval 10 to 20 with 0 frequency, and join the other end point with the midpoint of 80 to 90. That is the last interval with 0 frequency. Thus the required frequency polygon we can get. Now let us solve one more question. Question number 16. In a study of diabetic patients, the following data was obtained. Age in years 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70, and 70 to 80 is given. And the patient for the age group 10 to 20, it is 3, 20 to 30, 8, 30 to 40, 30, 40 to 50, 36, 50 to 60, 27, 60 to 70, 15, and 70 to 80, it is 6. Now we have to plot. Now let us see how to draw a frequency polygon and a histogram for the given data. So here we have taken age in years on the x-axis and number of patients on y-axis. On x-axis, each centimeter we have taken 10, age group up to 10. Now on y-axis we have taken the number of patients. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 patients. So for first age interval 10 to 20, number of patients is 3. For 20 to 30, it is 8. 30 to 40, it is 30. 40 to 50, 36. In same way we can plot the points and draw the histogram. Now after drawing the histogram, we have to construct frequency polygon for this also. For that we take the midpoint of 0 and 10 with a starting point and mark all the midpoints of all the intervals. Here you see 10 to 20, 15 is there, 20 to 30, 25 is there, 30 to 40, 45 is there. In this way we mark all the midpoints, and at last the midpoint is of 80 and 90 with 0 frequency. Here also 0 to 10, frequency is 0, and we join all the points in order to get the frequency polygon. Thank you, children. Try to solve exercise 20.3 and complete your work on time.